Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best seed bead spinner is probably one of the most game-changing tools for any beader. If you're tired of the tedious task of hand-stringing tiny seed beads, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of seed bead spinners, exploring what makes them tick, and helping you find the perfect one to speed up your beading projects and bring your creative visions to life. Number 5. Shop LC Pinewood Bead Spinner Kit. Introducing the Pinewood Bead Spinner Kit from Shop LC. This kit makes stringing beads a breeze. It's designed to simplify your jewelry making process. This bead loader is incredibly easy to use. Simply fill the bowl with beads and let it do the work. It saves time and reduces hand fatigue. Get ready for some fun DIY projects with this spinner. It's perfect for creating bracelets, necklaces, and more. It makes jewelry making easy and enjoyable. The package includes a Pinewood spinner, wire, and a needle. The spinner is compact and easy to handle. Everything you need to get started is included. Looking for a unique gift? This bracelet spinner is perfect for craft enthusiasts. It allows anyone to create beautiful jewelry with ease. It's a great present for any occasion. What we like? This kit is incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. It comes with everything you need to get started right away. If you're looking for a thoughtful and creative gift for a craft enthusiast, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The bowl is designed well enough that both extremely tiny beads and large beads can all thread fairly easily. It has a smooth spinning motion, easy to use. She loves this product and works with it all the time. It helps her make her friendship bracelets much easier. Number 4. Tilhumt Electric Bead Spinner for Jewelry Making. This innovative bead spinner is designed for optimal rotation and speed, enhancing efficiency. It saves you time and makes the entire process much easier. With this spinner, you can make a beautiful bracelet in just 2 minutes. It makes beading fun and efficient, perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Simply fill the bowl with beads and adjust the needle. The design ensures the beads fall perfectly into place, making the process simple. This bead spinner is a unique gift for craft enthusiasts. It allows anyone to create beautiful jewelry with ease, ideal for any special occasion. The package includes the bead spinner, needles, a needle base, elastic string, and a user manual. It also comes with a 12-month quality guarantee and friendly customer service. Please note that beads are not included. What we like? This electric spinner boosts your efficiency, allowing you to create stunning bracelets in minutes. It's designed for ease of use, making the beading process fun and accessible. If you're a DIY enthusiast who values speed and convenience, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. This made it so much faster to string the clay beads once you get the hang of where to place the wire inside the turning area and try a few times. It works well for stringing small beads quickly, and my daughter enjoyed using it for her crafting projects. It's really fun and easy to use. Despite it saying beads not included in the listing, it included a small bag with a few different colors of clay beads. The threading needle was also really strong, unlike others. Number 3. Tilhumt Bead Spinner Kit for Jewelry Making. Introducing the Tilhumt Bead Spinner, designed to make jewelry making easier than ever. This innovative tool simplifies the process, allowing you to create beautiful pieces with ease. Crafted from premium natural beechwood, this spinner is built to last. The sturdy base and stainless steel shaft provide exceptional stability, ensuring a smooth and reliable beading experience. Enjoy a seamless beading experience with the polished, burr-free bead bowl. The thoughtful design ensures effortless and silent rotation, making the process enjoyable. The beginner set includes everything you need to start beading right away. It comes with a bead spinner bowl, needles, and seed beads, so you can dive into the joy of beading immediately. Simply fill the bowl with beads, thread the needle, and angle it while spinning. This efficient tool saves time and reduces hand fatigue, helping you create intricate designs effortlessly. Create a variety of DIY jewelry pieces, including bracelets and necklaces. It makes a thoughtful and delightful gift for any occasion, perfect for anyone who loves crafting. What we like? Crafted from premium beechwood, this spinner offers exceptional stability and a smooth beading experience. The silent rotation ensures a peaceful crafting session. If you appreciate quality and a comprehensive kit that's ready to go, you'll love this one. What people say. Very handy, I can take with me and still do my work. Perfect for mixing beads. It spins extremely smooth. Works great. Number 2. HOBBYWORKER Wooden Bead Spinner Kit. Tired of tedious bead stringing? This kit makes it easy. It's designed for smooth, efficient jewelry creation. The wooden spinner features a polished interior and a stainless steel shaft. It rotates smoothly and is built to last. With this kit, you can make bracelets, necklaces, and more. It's perfect for crafting unique, colorful pieces. Enjoy quality time with loved ones while creating jewelry. It's also a great gift for birthdays and holidays. HOBBYWORKER has 20 years of experience, ensuring quality and service. If you have any questions, they're here to help. Simply spin it manually, and it does the rest. It's a user-friendly tool for all your beading projects. What we like. This spinner is manually operated and spins smoothly, making it easy to string beads. The durable design ensures it will last through many crafting sessions. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use tool for making jewelry, this is a great choice. What people say. Once you get the hang of how to use it, it's a gem. I do beaded plants and it is a time saver for sure. Quick and easy way to bead bracelets. This spinner comes with 2 needles, regular and clay, which are very handy. It works with both and allows you to string the beads quickly. Number 1. DAFENCHI Bead Spinner Kit for Jewelry Making. This kit is perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to start making beautiful bead jewelry. It's a cost-effective way to explore your creativity. The kit comes with a bead spinner, various seed beads, clasps, jump rings, elastic line, jewelry wire, and more. With this, you'll have everything you need to get started right away. This spinner speeds up the bead stringing process. You can create bracelets and necklaces in just minutes. It saves you a lot of time and effort. Made from beech wood, the spinner is built to last. The heavy base keeps it stable while spinning. It rotates smoothly and quietly. The kit comes with needles of different sizes. This allows you to practice and perfect your bead spinning technique. It's designed to make your beading experience easier. This bead spinner kit makes a great gift. It's perfect for friends and family who enjoy making bead jewelry. Give the gift of creativity. What we like. This kit helps you make bracelets quickly, saving you valuable time. The durable beechwood construction ensures it will last. If you are a beginner looking for a cost-effective and efficient way to create bead jewelry, this is the perfect kit for you. What people say. This bead spinner was fast and easy to use. The spinner worked well, spun smoothly, and didn't seem to be catching on anything. This works well and come with several items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.